Welcome. I hope you're doing awesome. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is cloud computing. Before we really jump into what is cloud computing, let me ask you a fundamental question. Have you used any applications? Then your answer should be, hey, you are kidding. Yes, I know. So we do use multiple applications as a part of our daily life. Like we use Uber or Ola or Rapido, and we use Flipkart, we use Amazon, we use banking applications, we use hospital management applications. Now that we understood, we do use multiple applications as a part of our daily life. If I ask you a question, what is it required to run an application? What would be your answer? Simple answer would be you need a hardware. You also need a software. When we say hardware, we are talking about storage, memory, processor. We do need both, but I'm focusing on the very important aspects of the hardware. When we say software, we are talking about an operating system, we are talking about a database management system, we're talking about application software. So any application would need hardware and software to run. Now, what used to happen traditionally? Let us say if I take you back some 20 years, any organization, it can be Bank of America, Allstate, or ICICI Bank, in order to run their business, they would need hardware, they would need software. In order to run their business, they would need an application which is using operating system, database management system, and application software, which is built on storage, memory, and processor. Now, during those times, these organizations used to invest loads and loads of money to secure a hardware, to buy and install the required softwares to run their applications. But over a period of time, what happened is computation increased. Then the focus was on minimizing the cost as much as possible. And organizations wanted to release the required applications to the market as soon as possible. And many startups started emerging. So, because of all these things, it was difficult for organizations to invest lot of money on hardware and software. That is where cloud computing comes into picture. So what is cloud computing then? Cloud computing is renting the resources like storage space, CPU cycles on another company's computers. Instead of buying the servers, which costs a lot, you rent the servers, you rent the resources like storage space, CPU cycles on another company's computers. Like instead of buying the way you use a Uber or a Ola, you are not buying the car there, but you are using the car and paying for only usage. In the similar way, instead of buying the hardware and software, companies started renting them from the cloud service providers. You only pay for what you use. Okay. So the company which is providing these hardware and software for rent are referred as cloud providers. Which are the cloud providers in the market now? The important cloud service providers are Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. As a part of this video, we understood what is cloud computing. Thank you.